Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wistia Analytics for marketing qualified engagement, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Wistia Analytics for marketing qualified engagement, start by logging into your Wistia account. Navigate to the project containing the videos you want to analyze. Click on the video for which you want to configure analytics. In the video settings, locate the Analytics tab. Enable the Analytics feature if it is not already activated. Next, define your engagement criteria based on marketing qualifications. Consider metrics such as average engagement time, play rate, and conversion rate. Once you have established your criteria, go to the Integrations section in your account settings. Connect your Wistia account to any relevant marketing platforms, such as HubSpot or Marketo. This integration will allow for seamless data flow between your video engagement metrics and your marketing tools. Now, head back to the Analytics tab of your video. Set up tags for specific viewer actions that align with your marketing goals. Examples might include watched 75%, clicked call to action, or shared video. Once tags are in place, you can start monitoring viewer engagement in real time. Check the dashboard for each video to gather insights on viewer behavior. Use these insights to adjust your marketing strategies as needed. Regularly review your analytics report to track the performance of your videos. Make adjustments to your content based on what your audience is engaging with the most. You can also share insights with your marketing team for more cohesive strategies. Remember to continuously test different types of content to see what drives the best engagement. Update your engagement criteria periodically as your marketing goals evolve. By following these steps, you will effectively configure Wistia Analytics for better marketing qualified engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.